following counties in West Virginia, Pleasant and Tyler. Flash flood watch remains in effect through late Friday night. The flash flood watch continues for portions of southeast Ohio and West Virginia, including the following areas in southeast Ohio: Athens, Gallia, Jacksonville, Ohio, Meigs, Morgan, Perry, Vinton, and Washington. In West Virginia, Barber, Braxton, Calhoun, Clay, Doddridge, Gilmer, Harrison, Jackson, West Virginia, Canala, Lewis, Mason, Northwest Nicholas, Northwest Pocahontas, Northwest Randolph, Northwest Webster, Pleasants, Putnam, Ritchie, Roan, Southeast Nicholas, Southeast Pocahontas, Southeast Randolph, Southeast Webster, Taylor, Tyler, Upshur, Word, and Wood. Through late Friday night, multiple rounds of showers and storms are likely today through Friday. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are expected each day, with locally higher amounts. Heavy amounts of rain in short periods of time may cause creeks and streams to rapidly rise out of their banks, along with the potential of flash flooding in urban areas. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Nearshore forecast.
With